Hi, and welcome to Yoga for Your Feet. Let's begin by looking down at the feet. First, spread your toes and open up the soles of your feet as best you can on your mat. Then, keeping all the toes grounded, just lift your big toe up and down, up and down. 3 more times. Instead of letting the big toe deviate towards the other toes, see if you can keep the big toes reaching towards each other. Make the movement slow and controlled. Keeping the big toe down, lift all the other toes up and down 4 times. Notice the toes that aren't willing to move as much. Now lift all 5 toes up. Keeping the toes up, just reach the big toe down and up. Down and up. 3 times. Now all toes up. Stay balanced on the center of your heel bone. Bring the pinky toe down. Ring, 3rd, 4th, and big toe. All toes up, and going from the outside in, from the pinky toe, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 3 more times. Control the descent of each toe. Notice the toes that aren't moving so well. Be patient with those toes. Thank you for joining me for Yoga for Your Feet. Make sure to do this daily to help with the mobility of your feet and your toes.